Hello, Soul Wars! It's a perfect Christmas here with the December 2021 Ivy Box. The Ivy Box features the tweed color black varsity cardigan, the 1908 pearl brooch, and the I Am the Magic aka 2022 planner. This is the perfect time for us to set intentional goals and priorities for the new year, and we can do just that with this planner. This planner will help you make plans to build health and wealth as you enter into the 2022 new year. So no excuses for eating better or doing better with our finances. We're going to use our planner and we are going to tap into our magic for 2022. The box also features the 1908 pearl brooch, which can be used to customize your tweed color black varsity cardigan. Look at the detail on that cardigan, Soul Wars, the pink and green stripes, the beautiful tweed material, such beautiful quality, and it's going to keep you warm and it's going to keep you fashionable as we move into the 2022 new year. I hope that you all have a beautiful and perfect Christmas, Soul Wars.